Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and the latest in fashion and footwear. Today, we've got something special for you, a detailed review of the big running men's breathable classic casual shoes. If you're on the hunt for the best shoes to stand all day, stay tuned because these might just be what you're looking for. Please watch the video till the end. First things first, let's talk about design. Now, we all know that when it comes to shoes, aesthetics matter just as much as comfort. The big running sneakers strike a perfect balance between the two. These shoes are available in 3 striking colors: a sleek black, a crisp white, and a vibrant red. No matter your style, there's a pair that will suit your taste. One of the standout features of these sneakers is the breathable mesh upper. This isn't just any mesh, it's designed to keep your feet cool and comfortable throughout the day. Whether you're wearing them for a long walk, a day at work, or just running errands, your feet won't feel suffocated. This is a game changer, especially for those of you who are always on the go. Moving on to comfort, and this is where these shoes truly shine. Inside we have an EVA insole. EVA, or ethylene vinyl acetate, is known for its cushioning properties. It's lightweight, flexible, and provides excellent shock absorption. This means that with every step you take, the insole works to reduce the impact on your feet, making these shoes ideal for all-day wear. If you like the shoe, then you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comment section. But comfort isn't just about what's inside the shoe. The outsole plays a crucial role too. The big running sneakers feature an EVA outsole that's not only durable but also provides excellent traction. Whether you're walking on smooth surfaces, rough terrain, or even wet ground, these shoes give you the grip and stability you need. Plus, the outsole is designed to be hard-wearing, so you can trust that these shoes will last you a good while. Now, let's talk versatility. These sneakers aren't just for one type of occasion. They're perfect for a variety of settings. Whether you're heading to the gym, going for a casual outing, or even dressing them up for a more polished look, these shoes fit the bill. The minimalist design makes them easy to pair with just about any outfit, from jeans and a tee to more athletic wear. And speaking of fit, the lace-up closure ensures that you get a snug and secure fit every time. No more worrying about your shoes slipping off or feeling too tight. They fit true to size, so you can confidently order your regular size without second-guessing. Another thing worth mentioning is how light these shoes are. Weighing in at just the right amount, they won't weigh your feet down, even after hours of wear. This is a huge plus for those of you who are on your feet all day, whether at work, school, or while traveling. Additionally, the shoes come with anti-odor properties thanks to the breathable mesh and the EVA insole. This means that even after long hours, your feet stay fresh. And the shoes don't trap unpleasant smells. If you like the shoe, then you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comment section. Now, don't just take my word for it. Here's what some customers have had to say. One reviewer from Jamaica shared, "I ordered these for my 11-year-old son and myself. They arrived on time and fit excellently. They're lightweight, comfortable, and handsomely made. Definitely recommend." One of the best things about these sneakers is how easily they can be styled. Whether you're going for a sporty look or something more laid back, these shoes can adapt. Pair them with shorts for a summer day out, or with jeans for a casual evening. The variety of colors also gives you plenty of options to match them with your wardrobe. Durability is another strong point. These shoes are built to last. The high-quality materials, combined with the robust construction, ensure that they can withstand daily wear and tear. Whether you're walking on concrete, grass, or even a rocky trail, these sneakers will hold up. If you like the shoe, then you will find the link of the shoes in the description and in the comment section. Let's not forget about safety. The anti-slip EVA outsole gives you the added confidence when walking on slippery surfaces. So whether you're caught in the rain or just walking on a smooth floor, you'll have the grip you need to stay steady. In summary, the big running men's breathable classic casual shoes tick all the right boxes. They're stylish, comfortable, versatile, and durable, everything you could ask for in a pair of sneakers. Whether you're standing all day at work, running errands, or just out for a casual stroll, these shoes have got you covered. So, if you're in the market for a new pair of sneakers that offer both style and substance, I highly recommend checking out the big running men's Breathable classic casual shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab your pair today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.